Good morning, or good afternoon, YouTube. Today is Saturday, August the 13th. I am just came to show you guys my hair. I retwisted it last night when I left service, and I took it down tonight, this morning, this afternoon, whatever, to go run errands. And then while I'm sitting here waiting in the quote unquote fast lane to get my oil changed, I decided to just play in my makeup a little bit. So I just came to show you guys my hair on today. Um, Today I'm loving my hair and the length of it and everything. So today I don't feel like chopping it all off. I won't make you any promises about tomorrow. So I just wanted you guys to come see. I pinned up one side because when I went to sleep, I didn't tie it down. And so these twists were standing up when I got up this morning. So you know if it's standing up when you untwist it, it doesn't want to do right. So I pinned this side down. And did it like this. I had plans, but I think I'll be babysitting my little niece, my god sister's daughter. She's sick, and then the mom has some stuff she needs to do. So I think that'll be my reason for staying in today. If I do anything else interesting with my hair, I'll probably just retwist it tonight, probably with the same Shine and Define, and probably some kind of moisturizer by Oyen, and then take it down tomorrow because tomorrow's official Sunday. So we'll be singing, it'll be video recorded, blah blah blah. I think it'll be live streamed on the internet. Check it out on northeastmichigan.com. That's the northeastern jurisdiction of the Churches of God in Christ. If you're interested, and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.